beauties, what's up? Welcome to the Kendy Jane Beauty channel. Today we're going to take a look at November 2020's Boxycharm base and premium boxes. Yes, if you're interested in finding out where we are so far on our spoilers, stay tuned. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and also that like button and comment when you finish the video. Comment and let me know what is your favorite product this month so far. First, let's look at our three choice items. We were able to pick one of these three. The first item is by Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This sells for $24. It comes in various shades. It's an eyebrow gel that contains tiny microfibers that adhere to your hair, eyebrow hair, and your skin. It'll create natural looking fullness and definition. I have this Gimme Brow and just love it. If you have any gray hairs in your brow, this will naturally cover up any of those gray hairs. It puts it in place and it stays. If you're trying to achieve that natural boy brow look, this is a great product to use to do that. The second choice item is from Milk Makeup. It's the Kush Waterproof Mascara, and this all comes in the color Aces. It's the blackest of black. I actually have this mascara and love it. It's waterproof. It's an intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers. It also has hemp-derived cannabis seed oil that conditions your lashes, so you can't go wrong. I find that it really thickens my lashes really nice and pretty. And with my allergies, it helps the mascara to stay on my lashes. I really love this mascara, and the packaging is really, really nice. It's like a metal blue, really, really pretty. Now, our last choice item for the base box is from the brand Jure Cosmetics. It's the Essential Lip Enhancer Balm. This sells for $17, and it's a refreshing and hydrating translucent light pink lip treatment with a soft rose scent. It has their trademark Maxi Lip, which helps naturally create a look of fuller lips while diminishing the appearance of fine lines. It also has vitamin E, shea butter, jojoba seed oil. The jojoba seed oil creates a protective barrier that effectively locks in moisture to keep lips soft and supple. So these were your three choice items for the base box, and you got to pick whichever one you wanted out of these three. Now the next item is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette called the Peak Palette. This palette will be in the majority of the base box subscribers' boxes. So most of us will receive this palette in our boxes. At first, I thought they said every box would have it. Now they're saying the majority of us will have it. So keep your fingers crossed. This is a one-of-a-kind made for Boxycharm. As you can see, it has beautiful fall, rich toned colors. I love these colors. And I always love more mattes than shimmer shades. And you only have one shimmer shade in this palette. So I hope we all get it in our boxes. Now the next item is from a brand called Volution Beauty. It's the Snow Mushroom Water Serum, and it's in our regular box. I'm not sure if it's a variation, but I would think it is a variation item. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leaves the skin plumper and healthier looking. So those are the items I know so far in our base box. Next, let's see what's in our premium box. So far, we have our two choice items. The first one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This sells for $39. We were offered both colors it came in. This is a lightweight powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, modify shine, and blur the skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. So this is really neat. I think the container that it's in, you turn the lens on the container. It's like a camera lens. And as you turn the lens, it grinds that powder really finely. So I did pick this as one of my choice items, and on my second premium box, I picked the next item. The second choice item is from Illamasqua. It's the Unveiled Artistry Palette that sells for $38. It's a nude eyeshadow palette from the highly anticipated Nude Collection, containing 12 shades in a neutral spectrum from rich brown to golden sand. Each of the satin matte and metallic shimmer powder eyeshadows deliver intense color payoff that blends effortlessly to create a seamless transition. Last but not least is our Boxyluxe for December. We have one sneak peek for it. They're saying it's going to be in all Boxyluxe boxes. It's from Sunday Riley. It is the Good Genes. It's the all-in-one lactic acid treatment. And what is this? It's a treatment formulated with high-potency, purified-grade lactic acid that immediately exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells, revealing smoother, fresher, younger-looking skin. Fine lines appear visibly plumped, while the skin looks more radiant. With continued use, the appearance of stubborn hyperpigmentation and the visible signs of aging are reduced for a healthier-looking complexion. It's perfect for all skin types and all ages. This treatment is enhanced with licorice for brightening. Good Genes clarifies, smooths, and retexturizes for instant radiance. And this sells for $85. That is a great way to start our December Boxyluxe. So, if anybody is interested in signing up for Boxycharm this month, you'll get the October box, which I don't think you'll be sad about. I have the link below. It helps me out tremendously if you use my link. Right now, you get a $10 certificate to use at the November pop-up, which you get for $10. You can get a nice product because everything is up to 80% off. It's a great time to pack up on the things you use and get a few new cosmetics while you're at it. They have also lifestyle items. There's going to be so many items. I think they're going to even have Kevin O'Quinn in that pop-up sale. So make sure if you're not a charmer that you do subscribe so you can shop in our pop-up in November. It's the last chance you'll have for Christmas presents for the end of the year. So make sure you are subscribed. Remember, we have 2 giveaways going on right now. The first one is a mini giveaway. I'm giving away one Boxycharm base box for October. All you have to do is watch this video that I'll list it above and comment. You'll get instructions in the video on what to comment on. Watch the full video. The second thing is I'm giving away for our monthly giveaway a Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, as well as a Natasha Denona Glam palette. So those are given away the same way. Watch every one of my videos and comment. Your comment is your entry. Make sure you are set to public. That's the only thing that'll disqualify you. You need to be subscribed and set to public. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will be having a live soon. Possibly this Sunday. I have so much to tell you guys about my health. I will be having an operation coming up soon. Hopefully after this operation, I will be able to function normally and eat normally. But yes, I'll tell you all about it next time we have a live. Thank you for watching. And remember, let beauty transform you inside and out. And always, always keep a smile on your face. Love you.
About to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we wait